Hello guys, welcome back to Gatgets Compare. In this video today we compare two best earbuds, which is Huawei Freebuds 5i versus Huawei Freebuds 5. So let's see the full comparison video. Design has design, connectivity, model has type, has controls, body colors, body weight, sound features, deep bass, high res audio, frequency response, driver type, noise cancellation, driver unit, active noise cancellation, transparent mode, warranty, warranty time, battery, battery capacity, battery life, charging time, features, USB, Bluetooth, Bluetooth range, microphone, voice assistant, water resistant, dual pairing, switch to call, switch to music, IPX4 rated, price, price USD. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and make sure to subscribe Gatgets Compare.